So long as may wifi and work from home, so ganun na ang mga nangyayari. Yan. Parang ikaw, Doc Mary. Yan, di ba? So, you're trying, are you still there? Doon sa, ano? Doon sa, doon sa out of Metro Manila?
Tagaytay, yes. I'm in Tagaytay.
Yes. Oo,
Yes.
so parang, di ba, these
Tagaytay
are the times
Highlands.
you realize na wow, I want to go further. Okay lang kung malayo sa Metro Manila since right now everything is online, you can do everything online. So ito yung mga need ng clients na hindi niya alam na kailangan pala niya, and right now they are realizing what they need. So pag ganitong clients na to, try to ask, sir, ano ba yung plans ninyo for the future? Ano ba yung plans niyo sa mga anak ninyo? Are you planning to invest now para later on yung anak niyo will have properties, or where are you planning to retire? Gusto niyo bang farm property, beach property, or farming property? Yan. So for these types of clients, just continue to inform and update them, and hopefully pag meron sila nagustuhan property, they will call you